So I was listening to the story of the cod collapse, and one of the fishermen, uh, unrelated to the exact collapse, was saying that when they were fishing, and I presume this is something that probably continues today, and they pulled in more fish than can fit in their storage compartments, they would just throw all of that remaining fish away. I mean, when you're trying to pull in fish, you don't know how much you're going to get. So once you have too much, what else can you do but throw it away, which seems completely insane. It's just, I don't know, like, okay, I just can't even grasp that.